Foreign students master native-level Thai in just one lesson. Locals can't tell the difference. Hey there, language lovers. I'm Cody, and I've got something absolutely mind-blowing to share with you today. You know what? I've been teaching Thai to foreigners for over 10 years, and I've discovered something that will completely transform how you speak Thai. Picture the scene. Last week, my student Jake from Australia walked into a Bangkok coffee shop. He ordered his usual drink, chatted with the barista about his weekend plans, and even complained about his busy work schedule. But here's the kicker: the Thai staff thought he was a local who'd been living in Thailand his entire life. What's his secret? It wasn't perfect pronunciation. It wasn't knowing thousands of vocabulary words. It wasn't even flawless grammar. No, Jake discovered what I call the Thai Fluency Formula, a simple linguistic pattern that native speakers use dozens of times every single day, but foreign students rarely learn. Think about your own language learning journey for a moment. You've probably spent months memorizing vocabulary lists, drilling grammar rules, and practicing pronunciation until your tongue hurt. But despite all that hard work, when you speak Thai, something still feels off. Native speakers can instantly tell you're a foreigner. Your sentences sound robotic, unnatural, forced. Here's what nobody tells you about learning Thai: there's a hidden layer of the language that textbooks completely ignore. It's like trying to paint a masterpiece while missing your most important brush. You can have all the colors in the world, but without the right tool, your painting will never look professional. Today, I'm going to hand you that missing brush. I'm talking about Thai action classifiers, 3 tiny words that will make you sound like you've been speaking Thai since childhood.
These aren't just grammar rules, they're the secret code that unlocks natural flowing Thai conversation. But wait, it gets better. Remember my student Maria from Spain? She used to struggle with expressing simple ideas like, "I have several tasks to finish," or "We planned many activities for the weekend." Her Thai friends would understand her, sure, but they'd always get that slightly confused look. You know the one. After learning these action classifiers, Maria now speaks with such natural rhythm that Thai people ask her which province she's originally from. The beauty of what you're about to learn is its simplicity. We're talking about just 3 words. 3. But these 3 words appear in thousands of different situations. They're like master keys that unlock countless doors in Thai conversation. And here's my promise to you. By the end of this lesson, you'll have a secret weapon that most Thai language courses never even mention. You'll be able to express complex ideas about your daily life, work projects, weekend plans, and personal goals with the same natural flow as a native speaker. Are you ready to discover the Thai language secret that changes everything? Let's dive in and transform your Thai forever.
The Thai language adventure, mastering action classifiers like a local. Language learning breakthrough, the simple Thai secret that makes foreigners sound like natives in minutes. Hello, language enthusiasts. I'm Cody, your friendly guide to mastering Thai like a true local. Today we're diving into something absolutely game-changing, a concept that'll transform how you express actions and ideas in Thai. Picture this: you're chatting with Thai friends about your weekend plans, work projects, or daily routines. How do you naturally express several tasks, many activities, or everything on your list? The answer lies in understanding Thai action classifiers, your key to sounding fluent and natural. The foundation, your new linguistic tools. Let me introduce 2 essential Thai words that will revolutionize your speaking.
Yang.
Pronunciation, yang like young but with an ah sound. Function, classifier for counting actions, ideas, and abstract concepts.
Yang. 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 Sing.
Pronunciation, sing exactly like the English word sing. Function, means thing or matter.
Sing. 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 อะไร
Pronunciation, ri like a plus rye bread. Function, another word for things or what.
อะไร อะไร อะไร
Real-world applications, daily life examples. Scenario 1: planning your day. Example A: expressing tasks to complete. English I have 3 tasks to finish today. Thai.
วันนี้ผมมีงาน3อย่างที่ต้องทำให้เสร็จ
Pronunciation, 1 ne pom mi non som yang ti tom tom I set.
วันนี้
Today, 1 ne, like 1 knee.
ผม
I am, palm, like poem, in pomegranate.
งาน
Work, non, like gun within.
3
3, psalm, like psalm, the fruit.
ให้เสร็จ
To finish, high set, like high set.
วันนี้ผมมีงาน3อย่างที่ต้องทำให้เสร็จ วันนี้ผมมีงาน3อย่างที่ต้องทำให้เสร็จ วันนี้ผมมีงาน3อย่างที่ต้องทำให้เสร็จ
Example B alternative expression. English there are 3 things I should do. Thai.
มีอะไร3อย่างที่ฉันจะท
Pronunciation mi ri som yang ti chan ja tom.
ำ จะท
Should do, ja, like jar without r.
ำ มีอะไร3อย่างที่ฉันจะทำ มีอะไร3อย่างที่ฉันจะทำ มีอะไร3อย่างที่ฉันจะทำ
Scenario 2 weekend activities. Example I want to do 4 different activities this weekend. Thai.
เสาร์อาทิตย์นี้ผมต้องการทำกิจกรรม4อย่าง
Pronunciation Sawatit ne pom tongan tom gitagam siyong.
เสาร์
Saturday, so, like so, female pig.
อาทิตย์
Sunday, atit, like atith.
เสาร์อาทิตย์
Is meaning weekend.
ต้องการ
Want, tongan, like tungun.
กิจกรรม
Activity, gitagam, like gitagum.
4
4, see, like see.
เสาร์อาทิตย์นี้ผมต้องการทำกิจกรรม4อย่าง เสาร์อาทิตย์นี้ผมต้องการทำกิจกรรม4อย่าง เสาร์อาทิตย์นี้ผมต้องการทำกิจกรรม4อย่าง
Expressing quantity from few to many. Multiple things. Standard expression. English I have many business matters to pay attention to. Thai.
ผมมีธุรกิจหลายอย่างที่ต้องใส่ใจ
Pronunciation pom mi tuaragit lyang ti tom sai jai.
ธุรกิจ
Business, tuaragit, like turagit.
หลาย
Many, lie, like lie.
ใส่ใจ
To pay attention to, sai jai, like sai jai.
ผมมีธุรกิจหลายอย่างที่ต้องใส่ใจ ผมมีธุรกิจหลายอย่างที่ต้องใส่ใจ ผมมีธุรกิจหลายอย่างที่ต้องใส่ใจ
Casual expression. English I have tons of homework that I haven't done yet. Thai.
ฉันมีการบ้านเยอะแยะที่ยังไม่ได้ท
Pronunciation chami gan banya ye ti on my dai tom.
ำ การบ้าน
Homework, ganbon, like gunbun.
เยอะแยะ
Tons of, ye, like ye.
ยังไม่ได้
Haven't done yet. Young my die, like young my die.
ฉันมีการบ้านเยอะแยะที่ยังไม่ได้ทำ ฉันมีการบ้านเยอะแยะที่ยังไม่ได้ทำ ฉันมีการบ้านเยอะแยะที่ยังไม่ได้ทำ
Everything. General usage. English he finished all his homework already. Thai.
เขาทำการบ้านเสร็จทุกอย่างแล้ว
Pronunciation cow tom ganbon set tuk yon leo.
เขา
He, cow, like cow.
แล้ว
Already, leo, like leo.
เขาทำการบ้านเสร็จทุกอย่างแล้ว เขาทำการบ้านเสร็จทุกอย่างแล้ว เขาทำการบ้านเสร็จทุกอย่างแล้ว
Formal context. English everything we planned is going well. Thai.
ทุกสิ่งที่เราวางแผนไว้เป็นไปได้ดี
Pronunciation took sing ti rao wong pain y pen pi dai di.
วางแผน
Plan, wong pain, like wong pain.
ไว้
Ready, why, like why.
เป็น
Is, pen, like pen.
ไป
Go, pie, like pie.
ดี
Well, d, like d.
ทุกสิ่งที่เราวางแผนไว้เป็นไปได้ดี ทุกสิ่งที่เราวางแผนไว้เป็นไปได้ดี ทุกสิ่งที่เราวางแผนไว้เป็นไปได้ดี
Advanced expressions. Something different. Example I want to try something new this weekend. Thai.
เสาร์อาทิตย์นี้อยากลองอะไรใหม่อย่างอื่น
Pronunciation Sawatit Nayak Long Ri My Non Earn.
ลอง
Try, long, like long.
ใหม่
New, my, like my.
อื่น
Other, something, earn, like earn.
เสาร์อาทิตย์นี้อยากลองอะไรใหม่อย่างอื่น เสาร์อาทิตย์นี้อยากลองอะไรใหม่อย่างอื่น เสาร์อาทิตย์นี้อยากลองอะไรใหม่อย่างอื่น
Specific amounts. Example Yesterday I completed 5 important projects. Thai.
เมื่อวานนี้ผมทำโปรเจกต์สำคัญ5อย่างเสร็จ
Pronunciation Muawane Pom Tom Project Somkan Hai Yan says.
เมื่อวานนี้
Yesterday, Muawane, like Mua, kissing sound.
สำคัญ
Important, Somkan, like Somgun.
5
5, ha, like ha.
เมื่อวานนี้ผมทำโปรเจกต์สำคัญ5อย่างเสร็จ เมื่อวานนี้ผมทำโปรเจกต์สำคัญ5อย่างเสร็จ เมื่อวานนี้ผมทำโปรเจกต์สำคัญ5อย่างเสร็จ
Practice patterns. Daily routine template. English in the I have things to do. Thai.
ตอน ผมมี อย่างที่จะท
Ton. Fa mi. Yang ni jatam. Examples.
ำ ตอนเช้า
Morning, ton chao.
ตอนเย็น
Evening, ton yen.
ตอนกลางคืน
Night, ton gankin.
ตอนเช้า 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 ตอนเย็น 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 ตอนกลางคืน ตอนกลางคืน ตอนกลางคืน
English in the morning, I have 2 things to do. Thai.
ตอนเช้าผมมี2อย่างที่จะท
English in the evening, I have 2 things to do. Thai.
ำ ตอนเย็นผมมี2อย่างที่จะท
English in the night, I have 2 things to do. Thai.
ำ ตอนกลางคืนผมมี2อย่างที่จะท
Work, study template. English at. I have to do. A lot. Thai.
ำ ที่ ผมต้องทำ มาก
The. Phom tom tam. Mac. Examples.
ที่โรงเรียน
At school, T rom rian.
ที่ทำงาน
At work, T tom gun.
ที่บ้าน
At home, T bon.
ที่โรงเรียน 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 ที่ทำงาน 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 ที่บ้าน ที่บ้าน ที่บ้าน
English at school, I have to do activity a lot. Thai.
ที่โรงเรียน ผมต้องทำกิจกรรมมาก
English at work, I have to do activity a lot. Thai.
ที่ทำงาน ผมต้องทำกิจกรรมมาก
English at home, I have to do activity a lot. Thai.
ที่บ้าน ผมต้องทำกิจกรรมมาก
Cultural insights. Thai speakers use these classifiers naturally and frequently. When you master this pattern, you'll notice one. Natural flow. Your Thai sounds more rhythmic and native-like too. Precision. You can express exact quantities of abstract concepts. 3. Flexibility. Multiple ways to express the same idea. 4. Emphasis. Different words convey different emotional tones. Your challenge. Practice describing your actual day using these new patterns. Start with simple sentences and gradually add complexity. Remember, every Thai speaker uses these constructions dozens of times daily. Now you can too. The beauty of Thai classifiers is that they give you the power to think and express yourself like a native speaker. You're not just learning words, you're learning to see the world through Thai linguistic patterns. Keep practicing, stay curious, and remember every yang you use correctly brings you one step closer to Thai fluency.
โชคดีครับ
Good luck! Your journey to Thai fluency starts now, and there you have it, my amazing language learners. We've just unlocked one of the most powerful secrets in the Thai language, those 3 magical words that will completely transform how you express yourself. Let me recap what we've discovered today. We learned about action classifiers, those tiny but mighty words that native speakers use naturally every single day. These aren't just random vocabulary words. They're the building blocks that make your Thai flow like a river instead of stumbling like broken steps. Think about what you can now do. You can talk about your daily tasks, your weekend plans, your work projects, everything you need to accomplish, all with the natural rhythm of a local Thai speaker. You can express specific quantities, talk about multiple activities, and even say everything in ways that sound completely authentic. But here's the most exciting part: this is just the beginning. What we covered today is like learning to ride a bicycle. At first, it feels strange and new. But once you practice and these patterns become natural, you'll never forget them. They'll become part of how you think in Thai. Now, I want to give you some important advice. Don't just watch this video once and move on. Language learning is like building muscle. You need to exercise it regularly. Come back to this lesson. Watch it again tomorrow. Listen to the examples while you're having coffee. Practice the patterns while you're walking to work. Each time you return to this content, you'll discover something new. Your brain will absorb the rhythms deeper. The pronunciation will become more natural. The confidence will grow stronger. This is how real fluency happens, not through cramming, but through gentle, repeated exposure. I truly believe that every single one of you has the potential to speak Thai like a native. You have everything you need right here. The tools, the examples, the practice patterns, they're all yours now. What you do with them depends on your commitment to practice. You know what keeps me motivated to create these lessons? It's hearing from students like you. When you tell me that something finally clicked, when you share your breakthrough moments, when you describe using these patterns successfully with Thai people, that's what fills my heart with joy. That's what makes all the research, all the preparation, all the editing worth it. But I need your help to keep this channel alive and growing. Creating quality Thai lessons takes enormous time and effort. Your support means everything to me. If this lesson helped you, if you're excited about learning Thai, if you dream of visiting Thailand and speaking like a local, please show your support. Hit that subscribe button right now. Ring the notification bell so you never miss a new lesson. Give this video a thumbs up to help other Thai learners find it. And most importantly, share your progress in the comments below. Tell me how you're using these new patterns. Share your success stories. Ask questions about what you'd like to learn next. Together, we're building a community of passionate Thai learners. With your support, I can continue bringing you the secrets, the shortcuts, and the insights that textbooks never teach. Your Thai fluency journey starts today. Let's make it amazing together.